I'm sitting on the stool. I'm okay here.
Ako, first okay. Hi,
Go ahead.
Miss Timmy. I'm Gino Krishnan from TV Patrol po. First of all, congratulations, of course. Ang ganda ng live, Miss Timmy. Can you tell us more about the inspiration behind this music?
Actually, as I was saying earlier, we can choose to be happy and we can choose to make our lives. We are the ones who make our lives. In my case, I really have learned. I have learned to let go of the past and just stay in the present. I feel that if you stay in the present and enjoy the moment, then life will always be good. So that's basically my inspiration, is my personal journey, my life. I know that other people love me so much, but the best thing is I love myself first, diba? So when you love yourself first, then people will be automatically attracted to you. Love will be attracted to you. Peace will be attracted to you. Happiness, good fortune, and most of all, good health. And then sharing, sharing the songs, sharing the music, sharing the good vibes and the good feelings, the good wishes. That is basically the inspiration. So for me, kahit na ano mangyari, I'm saying this with all conviction and all commitment, na kahit na ano ang nagaganap sa ating buhay, personally, sa ating pamilya, sa ating bansa, sa buong mundo, we have a choice na maging maganda ang life natin. We shouldn't blame anyone. We should be responsible for our life, for our happiness. So I am the author of my life, and every page of my life, no matter how small and simple the moment is, it is meaningful and valuable to me.
Miss Timmy, you've mentioned about your health. How are you right now?
Right now, I'm feeling good. Can't you see? Yeah. Physically, yeah. Doctor-wise and everything, my doctor said that I'm okay. So if my doctor says I'm okay, okay na rin yun sa akin, di ba? But yeah, I'm in tip-top shape right now, and God willing, I will stay there, di ba? So I'm taking care of myself, not just physically, but most of all, emotionally and spiritually.
Miss Timmy, can you just take us back to the journey of your health?
The journey,
Yes.
the journey of my health. Once upon a time, sometime in 2016, I was doing a teleserye, and I had a break, a 5-hour break, and we were taping in a hospital. And since we had a break, I told myself, nandito ka sa hospital? Ano kaya? Magpa-check up ka na rin. So I used that 5-hour break to go to the hospital and have a checkup. But when I called my doctor, sabi niya, hindi pa raw ako due for a checkup. I kind of found it medyo off kasi normally when I tell my doctor na magpapa-check up na ako, okay. But this time, she said I had to wait for 1 month. So in that 1 month, I was kind of wondering, since this is like really off, I said, something must be going on. And then I was looking at my face in the mirror, and then I was looking at my eyes, because I always look at my eyes to see if it's shining. That's my practice. And at that time, my eyes are parang medyo mapungay, matamlay, and I know na pag meron kang nararamdaman, yun ang unang nakikita medyo mapungay yung mata. So I had a checkup after 1 month, and one of the checkup I had was a mammogram. And the mammogram showed that I had a growth in my left breast. And immediately I had it checked, and I had a biopsy, and that was it. My doctor, who's my friend, sabi niya sa akin, usually, sinasabi niya sa akin, okay, come and call, just call me up. Usually, ganun lang call me up. But this time, sabi niya sa akin, I want to see you in person. So, it's like thunder, lightning, in my head. Because pag sinabing, I want to see you in person, that means, kailangan kita makita para ipaliwanag ko sa iyo. So, it was a weekend at that time. Sabi ko sa kanya, maghihintay pa ako ng hanggang Monday. Sabihin mo na sa akin ngayon, I'm all grown up, kaya ko na yan, ganyan. And so she said, it is. It is. So, yung word na it is, wow, the world came tumbling down. Jack and Jill went up the hill. And Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall, and you know, my whole world seemed to crumble at that moment. But I told myself, get a hold of yourself. Get a hold of yourself. You're not dead yet. You're still here. And there are things that you can do. But of course, yeah, for a few days I was really lost. And it was like, you know, when you're standing on the rug, tapos parang may humila ng rug. Parang ganun yung feeling ko, parang hindi ako makaapak and everything, the floor seemed to be moving and everything. But I kept telling myself, get a hold of yourself. And at that time, I was already a meditator. So I told myself, kung talagang meron kang natututunan sa meditation, sige nga, i-practice mo. Practice that. So that's what I did. I stayed in the moment and I connected with God in meditation, quietly, not really asking any questions. I stopped myself from asking questions. So all I did was, I said in my conversation with God, our Creator, sabi ko sa Kanya, you gave this to me and you have given me so much. I have been through so much. You've been with me all this time. I know that you will take care of me. So with that, I held on to that faith that God will take care of me, that everything will be all right. And just day by day, what I did was I spliced each day into hours, and I spliced each hour to minutes, and each minute to milliseconds. And I just lived that way, you know, one step at a time, one thought at a time. And whatever negative thought I had, I would just chuck it in a big ocean in my imagination and in my mind. And that helped me go through it. Of course, I did everything that the doctor advised me to do, and I even got a second opinion, a third opinion, and at the end of the day, I had to follow my own decision. Cancer is the deadliest na yata, no? One of the deadliest diseases. And I owned it. I owned my cancer. I talked to my cancer. Sabi ko sa kanya, I don't want you to be inside of me, but since you are here, I am embracing you. But I will do my best in every way. And I'm so blessed that I had a good team of doctors and financially that I was capable of doing what I needed to do. And I had the presence of mind to follow everything. Because that's what it needs. It needs conviction. Mahal mo ba talaga yung sarili mo? Or mahihiya ka bang sabihin sa mga tao? So I asked for emotional support from friends. They all came, family, even other people came to bless me, doctors, everyone. So I had surgery. I didn't need to have surgery. That's what 2 doctors said, but I decided to have surgery. I said goodbye to my left breast. I had a ceremony on my own. It's hard being a woman, having one of your parts and the most womanly part of all to be removed. But I lived through it. Here I am today. I'm still woman, all woman. Kahit may nabawas, I'm still all woman. Ang ganda ng life. Kaya ang ganda ng life.
Yes, Miss TV, and one last question for me. Gaano ka excited for people to be able to hear your music again? And just going back and...
Super excited. Pakinggan po ninyo ang ganda ng life because it will bring you hope. It will bring you freedom. It will give you happiness. Alam ko na maraming nahihirapan. Alam ko na maraming pinapas can't say that I've been there. Hindi ko alam kung anong pinagdadaanan ninyo. But I empathize with you. Through this song, I empathize with you. And I want to tell you that there is hope. There is hope. God is in charge. God loves you so much. Everything, I'm saying it, everything will be all right.
Strong woman you are. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Miss Timmy,
Yes.
masasabi mo ba na when you found out that you were cancer-free, it's the most beautiful moment of your life?
I would say that it is one of the most beautiful moments of my life, and I'm grateful and truly blessed. But really, the most beautiful moment of my life is getting to know myself, rediscovering my inner beauty. That is the most beautiful part of my life. And everything else is just like icing on the cake. But yes, of course, surviving and cancer and everything, di ba?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Sorry po, susulat lang po ako sa pati.
Susulat ka?
Opo,
Okay.
i-air po namin to.
Oh, alright. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Palakpakan natin sila. Bye! See you again, okay? See you soon. Hindi na siya kakain?
Kailangan.
Sige, okay. Nagugutom na ba kayo? Sige. Okay, anyway, go ahead.
Yes.
Yes, go ahead.
Diba, as you were saying,
Yes.
na you're discovering your
Yes,
inner beauty.
yes, rediscovering my inner beauty. I know the world is so focused on outer beauty, and of course, so am I. So am I focused on my outer beauty. But most of all, what's really important to me is our inner beauty. And when I rediscover it, when I say inner beauty, I'm talking about my inner peace, my inner happiness, my inner kindness and sweetness, and my purity and my power. I'm talking about something that is priceless, something that will never grow old, like I am getting old, we are all getting old. Something so precious, precious and precious, that's what I really value. And that is the most beautiful part of my life. Kaya, uulitin ko ulit, ang ganda ng life. Does that answer your question?
So how do you plan to reintroduce TV to the younger generation right now? The song is catchy in
Yes.
itself, pero separate kami ng
The song itself,
Yeah, the song itself, and at the same time with the help of Star Music, because their audience naman is very, very wide. So once released by Star Music, I'm sure even the young generation will appreciate the song and will recognize Miss Timmy, and siguro mas makikita nila, si Miss Timmy Cruz pala yung nagpasikat ng ganitong kanta, isa pala siyang magaling na artista. So maraming pwedeng maibalik siguro after singing the song, yung mga bata ngayon, they know how to research
and I really noticed, because I have a group, various groups of young fans, and they are like, the age bracket is something like 10 to mga 16. And they're really excited, excited to see what's going on with me, to read my posts, to comment on my posts. So I'm very active on social media. And so they see me there, and I see the age bracket, and it's getting lower and lower. When I started out again in 23, it was like between 60 to 40, ganyan. Ngayon, meron ng 20 below. Sabi ko, uy, galing naman. So that's how. Plus, the arrangement itself is very young, it's very now. So I believe that people will like the song.
So, is there an album in the making and may music video rin ba?
We have a video in the making, but what I really aim to do is really to release singles, not albums. So that's what I've been doing. Actually, I've been releasing albums and singles independently since 2009. 2009, I was doing on my own, and then I was released by another company, and then recently I signed up with Star Music. With Star Music, I released a song called Magbago, and then I also released a Christmas song entitled Paskong Pasko Na. And I've been experimenting on being a storyteller, and so I really am enjoying it, even late in the day.
So third song mo na ito, Miss Timmy
with Star Music. Now this is our third song, Star Music.
Miss Timmy.
Go ahead.
Miss Timmy, with all that's happening in the world ngayon, how do you find beauty? Is there a conscious effort para hanapin yung
No, not really. I find beauty in everything, in everyone. You know, as I said, every little moment is beautiful. I don't need to go to a place to be feeling beautiful or to see beauty. Here right now with all of you, I feel beauty, you know. So everything is beautiful to me. So if every moment is beautiful, then everything is beautiful, right? Okay, I know there's negative stuff and bad stuff happening. So what I do is, in the morning, as I wake up, I stay consciously positive talaga. I don't think of negative stuff. And when I do, or when I hear, or when I'm talking to someone early in the morning and they talk about negative stuff, I always say, can we set that aside muna? So I start the negative stuff and the real stuff and the truth and everything that bites. I start it after lunch, kung pwede. So after lunch, hanggang mga 4 o'clock. Tapos pagkatapos ng back na naman tayo sa beautiful stuff. So it's been a practice of mine and it works. So I've been experimenting on dami pagkain. I've been experimenting on how I can manage my mind, how I can be the master of my mind, and that's what I've been doing. So I have many different practices that I do, but beauty is all around. Basta gusto ko na makita yung beauty, nandiyan na yan. Di ba?
And yung, sabi niyo nga po marami na kayo ngayon na fans na nasa younger bracket. Ano yung advice mo ibigay niyo? Because you're one of those women na ini-embrace yung natural beauty. And it's very admirable, yung natural hair color. Meron po kayo styling beauty tips you can give women of all
Yes.
generations?
For me kasi, bata pa lang ako, talagang mahilig na ako sa natural. My family knows that, my friends, my circle of people, they know that. But yung coloring ng hair, medyo delayed ako dyan kasi when I was doing teleseries, laging konti pa lang nakikita, sasabihin na ng aking makeup artist, ma'am, nakikita na po. Ako, nakikita na. So, takbo na ako sa parlor. So, I had that kind of situation also for about, I think, maybe 10 years, ganun din. And then when I got sick, I asked myself, kailangan mo pa bang gawin yun? Kasi hindi makakatulong sa'yo. So, I had to speak to myself very seriously. Kasi my hair is my puhunan sa showbiz, di ba? I started out in a shampoo commercial, and every time people know me, it's always about my hair, aside from all the other stuff. So yun, that's one of my practices. And then, now what I do is, I go to the derma regularly for a facial. I have a special facial that they do that's non-invasive, and I also am vegetarian, and I drink a lot of water, and I exercise like crazy. I mean, exercise is like my kakambal. So right now at this age, I found that walking for at least 2 hours, slow walking, and then I do a day, 1 day rest. But if too tired, 2 days rest. But it started out with 45 minutes, and then it became an hour, then it became an hour and a half, and then it became 2. But if I have time, it becomes 3 hours. So basta walking lang, listening to music, and also vocalizing at the same time. So while walking, I'm vocalizing. So I have this really crazy kind of vocalizing na almost gibberish, kinikwento ko nga kay Rams. And then I also use my hands. And then in my place, where I live, there are also other people who walk there, and also my friends walk there. So while I'm walking, I stop, say hello, chit-chat, konti-konti, and then, mamaya, pag okay sa kanila, I'll sing for them, then walk na naman, you know. So, you know, it's very interactive, my whole thing. And also, I'm really good friends with my stylist, my makeup artist, my manager. You know, I've been with them maybe for a short time, but it feels like they are family to me. So they're part of my beauty, diba? My inner beauty, my outer beauty, they enhance it. And then, what else do we do? I love to plant. I'm super plantita since I was 7 years old. So I know all the plants in my garden. I know how to water them. I know how they will grow. I know how to divide them. Everything ako, I know all of that. Yun.
Ayan. Ako naman, so, hindi dapat ma-insecure if ever magkaroon ng wife. Kasi syempre maraming girls ang medyo
Mag-insecure ka lang kung meron kang ginawang pangit. Mag-insecure ka lang kung meron kang ginawang masama. Mag-insecure ka ng gusto. Pero, kung good girl ka, okay, di ba? Kung sinusunod mo yung dapat mong sundin mo. But, did I pass through the bad girl stage in my life? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Yes, of course, sobra. Huwag na natin pag-usapan yun. Huwag na. Huwag na ungkatin.
Is Timmy happy ka kasi aside from you, with the real color of your hair, Miss Don Sulwerta is the same with you. And recently, Precious Lara Tigaman is showing the real
Tsaka
color of
Stevie,
her
baka
hair.
sabihin kasi ng iba,
Yeah.
magaganda kasi kayo.
Magaganda.
Oo. Okay lang
Well,
pati buhok
ganito,
niyo.
actually, iba naman yung isip ko eh. Ganito, okay? When I go to the parlor, and then I get the bill after coloring my hair treatment and everything, 1,000. It's really 1,000. So, me kasi there's a business side to me. Dinidivide ko kaagad yun. Sa sarili ko lang. Ilang kilong bigas yun ah. Nakakatawa isipin, di ba? Ganun ako lagi. Every time I spend more than I should, I always ask myself, ilang kilong bigas na yun? And then when I spend or I do something, I always divide it. O ilang sapatos yan, ilang damit yan. Ganun yung ginagawa ko. So, nakasave ako ng ilang thousand a week on not coloring my hair. Plus, wala nang toxic materials na pumapasok sa buong scalp ko, di ba? Buong body ko. So, I hope na maisip din nila yun kasi I know it's still expensive no matter what you say, whether it's a few hundreds, di ba? You can still use that to buy food, especially now, di ba? Or you can use it to donate to charity or something like that. Pero it takes quite a personality, syempre. You have to have a lot of self-confidence. So, okay lang, kung hindi pa kayo confident, huwag na muna. Pero there will come a time na magiging confident na kayo na, eto ako eh, anong pangin nyo, di ba? Pakilang sa akin. Di ba? Bakit? Anong tinitingin nyo dyan, di ba? Ganon eh, pwede. There will come a time, anyway, that you will become confident of yourself and then hindi ka na magpapakulay, di ba? Kaya ka lang naman nag-insecure dahil nakikita mo yung iba na nagkukulay, di ba? Pero once nakakita ka na ng hindi nagkukulay na okay naman pala, you will be encouraged because age is something that will happen to all of us. So it is happening to me, but I'm feeling younger now than I ever was because being young is in my heart. Ito pala yung heart. Mali na kaagad. Being young is in my heart and it's also in my mind. So no matter how old I may look, I'm feeling so young. So sumusunod yung outer eh. Pag yung inner mo young, susunod yung outer. Pero pag ang inner mo old, susunod din. Gaganon din ako. Diba? Bakit ka makaiba niyan? Diba? Gaganon din, no? So yun, working on my inner self has been such a major part of my life. I became a traveler, not traveling to locations, but traveling inward. Nice.
How do you do that, traveling?
Traveling inward, okay. Alright, so let's try it right now. Let's travel inward.
Naging retreat.
Oh, let's travel inward. Okay, for a moment now, just be silent. For a moment now, ask yourself, am I really here? Am I here? Nandito ka ba? Dito ka lang. Dito ka lang. Nandito tayo. Kasama kita. I want you to breathe, breathe, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Consider yourself. Consider who you are. Who am I? Only you can answer that question. Who am I? Are you answering it right now? Okay, answer that. And I'm going to ask another question. Who do I belong to? Who do I belong to? For a moment there, ask yourself. I'm going to ask another question. Why am I here? Bakit ako nandito? Anong ginagawa ko dito? Only you can answer that. And the last question is, what is my purpose in life? What is my purpose in life? So every day I ask myself those 4 questions. As soon as I wake up, I ask myself. So, do you want the answers to those questions? You ask me that question.
Who am I? Ask more.
You ask me, Miss Timmy,
Who are you?
who am I? So ask me, Miss Timmy, who are you?
Miss Timmy, who are you?
Okay, who am I? Okay. I am not my name. I am not my profession. I am not my education. I am not my wealth. I am not my birthday. I am none of those. If I took away all of that, who am I? Right? So the answer, my answer is I am a soul. I am a soul, I am a soul. Taking away all of that. Pag inalis ko lahat yan, ako matatakot ka na ba? Di ba? Nakakatakot pag inalis mo lahat. May nakarating na ako doon na parang aalis na lahat. Mawawala na lahat sa akin. But one thing remains. My soul. My peaceful, my happy, my loving, my childlike, minsan maldita, minsan napakabait na soul. Di ba? The next question.
Who do you belong?
Who do I belong to? Do I belong to my family? Do I belong to my loved ones? Do I belong to my friends? Do I belong to this world? Who do I belong to? My answer is I belong to God, my Creator. I belong to God, my Creator. So third question,
Why are you here?
why am I here? Okay, why am I here? Am I here to be successful? Am I here to show my talents to the world? Am I here to be bida in my life, to be bida in your life? Is that why I'm here? I'm here because I'm going to play my part. I'm here because I have a script that God gave me. And you all have scripts that God gave you. And we are here to play our part. So I'm going to play my part to the best of my ability. And my ability started from this much, and then I developed it, it became this much, and then this much. So to the best of my ability, I will be the best version of myself. If I arrived like this little finger, now I'm going to leave this world singing and dancing and sharing all these beautiful things. Napapakanta ko eh. Napapakanta tuloy ako. Tamo, no signal nga. No signal na, pero may signal pa ako, di ba? Okay, the last question is, what is my purpose? What is my purpose? My purpose is, it became clearer to me, especially when I got sick and I recovered. one evening I was rolled back into the room, and in the hospital, the window, I could see outside the window all the stars were shining, but I was all bandaged and I was so quiet because I just came from the surgery and I had just recovered. I became very, very silent. And in the silence, I heard a beautiful voice telling me that I should continue doing good, that I should continue being kind and being sweet and being loving. So that became my purpose. That is simply my purpose, and that is a lot of purpose. So living a life that is full of purpose made me so happy. And
So last question.
go ahead.
What else do you look forward to in life?
What else do I look forward in life? Actually, as I said, if my purpose was to share good stuff, I want to see all the people around me living this beautiful life. And I'm seeing it already. I'm seeing it in my family. I'm seeing it with my workers, my employees, and also the people around me. I'm feeling it. So sometimes it's not physical. It's an atmosphere. Diba? It's an aura. It's an energy. And with that kind of energy, we can spread it all around. We can contaminate the world. I mean, we can be how many voices lang, pero with our energy travels so much. It can go to other countries. It can go all around the world. And we're gonna try to do that, right? Let's try it. Let's go around the world with our energy right now. So let's just consider our world right now, like we're standing on the planet Earth. Can we consider that? Let's stand on the planet Earth right now. And let's consider all the people. How many people in the universe right now?
Seven.
There's about 9 billion,
Yes.
9 billion people all around the world. So right now, let's focus on the 1 billion. 1 billion people, let's send them good. You have to use your hands. Peace, ganyan. Try natin. Dito na. Dito tayo sa 1 billion people, peace, happiness, success, good health, good fortune. Okay, 2nd billion, same. 2nd billion people. 3rd billion people. 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th. And then let's go back to Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. I don't know what's our population. So, anyway, let's go to Luzon. Sending peace, happiness, love, good health, good fortune. Visayas, Mindanao. And then let's go back to ourselves. You have to put your hand here in your heart like that. Also you, and then everyone, go then, Mr. Cameraman. Okay, put your hand in your heart, and then just feel yourself breathing there. Nice and easy. Thank you, self. Thank you, heart, for beating for me. Pitter patter, pitter patter. Thank you, body. Thank you, mind. Thank you, life. And everybody will say, ang ganda ng life. You have to say it. You have to say it.
Ang ganda ng life!
Isa pa, isa pa.
Ang ganda ng life!
Tatlo pa, tatlo pa.
Ang ganda ng life!
Isa na lang, isa na lang.
Ang ganda ng life!
Ang mga puto-puto. Palakpakan. Thank you so much.
Every time again.
I know, it feels so unreal actually, but I'm super honored, really super honored because coming from where I came from, I didn't come from a musical family. I came from a business family of lawyers, of bankers, and then yung mga Cruz, di ba? Yung mga Cruz are all known for music. But I don't come from that same family. So it is such a big, a great honor for me. I want to thank the universe and God for considering me to be one of them. Salamat po. Salamat po. Napapakanta na naman ako. Salamat, salamat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for that question.
Last na lang. And kasi ano din ang masasabi mo na yung mga OPM icons like sila Odette Quesada rin, sila Joey Alver.
Yes.
Yan.
Yes, I know everybody. I think the gift of music is really universal and it's ageless. It's ageless, so no matter what age you're in, just keep on singing and I admire all of them. I admire all the other artists of the world, of the Philippines, of the universe, all the artists, because with the artists, we make the world happier, di ba? We make the world happier.
Thank you.
Any more questions?
Ang sabi po na ang best era ng music ay yung 80s. Do you agree?
I don't really want to say that. I think music comes in cycles and phases, so it depends on who's writing the music. Because there's so many beautiful songs right now. If you really listen to it, I don't want to generalize it. I don't want to. Each decade has its own beauty. And I feel that music will go on and on and on and on. Beautifully.
Ano po yung nakita mong pagbabago sa music landscape simula ng 80s and just
Well, right now, there's no more, wala nang monopoly, di ba? Dati may monopoly, may mga recording companies, ganyan, doon ka lang dapat pumunta, or pag nandun ka, okay ka, yung career mo will okay. But now, people are releasing songs on their own, and there's so many platforms where you can release songs. So, I believe that in one day, there are like 1 million songs being released all over the world. So, I'm happy. And no competition because for me, may kanya-kanyang niche bawat music, bawat artist. So you just have to really keep on going and keep on doing what you love to do.
and yung pag-spread po ng AI use, what are your thoughts on that?
Oh, my thoughts are, it's unstoppable. It's unstoppable. So I think it's up to you to just filter it or to use it wisely and in a good way. It's unstoppable. That's where we're headed.
Pero hindi po ba overpower yung ibang artist na original, authentic, than versus sa mga gumagamit ng AI?
I know, but I cannot speak for them. I'm only speaking for myself. I will continue to make my own music the way that I do it, organically. Pieces of paper, I put it on the table, and then I put it together. I use my own handwriting. I will continue to do that, and I hope that we will all still be able to do that. It's up to the artist kung gusto nilang gumamit ng AI. That's their choice, but this is my choice. I respect everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.